Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So I know I haven't been posting that much, but a lot of you guys know I've been working on my garage, wanting to really get that done, and so that's what I've been really focusing on. But I do plan on doing a mod to the truck today, so I know you guys are going to enjoy this video. Alright guys, so this just came in a couple days ago. I ordered it from adamspolishes.com. I have the care package they're sending out coming in here soon. I don't know when it's going to be here, probably next week, early week I would say. You know, I took my fender flares off and there's a lot of scuffs underneath and they're really bothering me, so I decided to pick up one of these. It's the Adams Polishes Swirl Killer, so I'm going to give that a shot sometime, maybe tomorrow or maybe Monday or so, because I don't know when that other Adams Polishes comes in. I should have some stuff here that I already have, but I kind of want to wait till, you know, I see what they sent me. But yeah guys, I'm about to head out in the garage and I'll show you what I plan on installing on the truck. I've had them for a while and I just now got around to it. Like I said, I've been working on the garage and all that. So let's go out there in the garage and I'll show you. Alright guys, so I showed you this in a previous video and you guys kind of helped me pick where I wanted to put it. I kind of made my decision already. And a lot of you guys had great ideas. I think someone mentioned this too. If you've been following me for a while on Instagram or whatever, you guys know that I had a 30-inch light bar behind my grill. You can kind of see I don't know if you can see the little hole up there where I drilled through on each side. My plan right now is to put these behind the grill, kind of mount them, I'll show you, kind of mount them like right there behind the grill, obviously, if possible. I'm gonna see how the mounting works, but alright guys, so this is how I believe the mounting hardware goes. It's gonna screw into there and then that's your top mount. Only problem I'm seeing right now is if I mount it up there, it's gonna be kind of hidden up in there. I'd like it to be kind of flush with the top here if I could, but I could always rotate it down and point down to the ground too. I don't know, we'll see. I might have to make something. Alright guys, so I pulled off my grill. For those that don't know, it just kind of clips in like the factory one does, and then you can secure it so no one steals it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a good spot to mount. I already had these drilled, or I've already drilled these from a previous light bar, like I said. So I'm gonna see if I can work with those holes and use it for those pods, but I don't know that I'm gonna be able to get them low enough to where they're 100% showing. But I'm gonna go see what I can do. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use these little bushings. They're from my golf cart and they're leftover. Obviously this is not like a professional. I don't need these because, like I said, it's too high up. I need something that'll space it like this. I am going to cut this down a little more, but all I need really is about, you know, a 1/4 inch or so down. Alright, so from up here it looks like it's still being covered up, but from like the level you want it to shoot at is perfect. It's hard to really tell. I'll show you guys when it's actually on the truck and when it's on, but you know, from the height you want it to shine, you don't want it to shine way up. My truck's already really lifted, you guys know that, but I don't want it to be facing up. I want it kind of towards, you know, pointing towards the ground a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna run the one I have from McTuning, this one with this harness. Obviously you need these. Some of you guys know how to do this, but for those that don't, this is just me trying to help you guys. Alright guys, so these are all ready to go. They're gonna be plugging into these, which I know this is pretty easy stuff, guys, for a lot of people, but obviously red to red, black to black. And what we're gonna be doing is, after we get that connected, we're gonna be running these to the battery. Obviously this is a nice harness, but it's got a relay, or your inline fuse right there. It's always good to have. Alright guys, so what you want to do is kind of get the wires out of the way. I don't know if you can see that, but here's a wire coming off the light. I think I'm just going to zip tie it up to these metal tabs on the top of the grill. Kind of get them tucked up out of the way. And I'm probably just going to tuck them all the way across, all the way over here. And I'm probably just going to run it out right through here. I just think that's the most clean way to do it. I just wired up along the top. I'm going to tuck it out of the way a little more. Everything's all wired up. I got this switch right here. I mean, those are really bright. My God. I'll show you guys real quick on the garage once I gotta wire this, run it into the cab real quick, but that'll be easy. Got a new garage door opener going in here soon. It's over there on the wall. Can't show you yet. I'm gonna turn off the lights outside. Go get in the truck. I have this switch under there, right there. Let's wait for this. Wait for the light to go out real quick. I'm gonna show you. I should have showed the lights off in the garage. But I'm gonna show you guys how bright these are and see kind of where the angle is. Alright, ready? Damn. Yeah, those are really bright. I also got these, which are my other fogs. Those are my Rigid Industries, kind of like floodlights. Yeah, they're pretty bright. I'm gonna turn off both, and I want to see what's brighter, or at least looks brighter, anyways. All right, I'm gonna turn off these. All right, so these are gonna be Rigid Industries, really bright. And now these are gonna be the aux beam. Ready? I mean, they're pretty close. I feel like the aux beam puts the light out, like spreads it out a little more. Obviously you can see kind of like the light breaking up there, but it is behind the grill, that mesh grill. So the mesh grill is blocking a lot of it, and it's still really, really bright. So, I mean, that's pretty impressive. I'll put the link to these down below. They're not very expensive, and as you can see, they put out quite a bit of light. Actually pretty impressive, really. I mean, you're talking pretty expensive Rigid Industries, and then you're talking pretty cheap but well-made aux beam. I mean, you know, they're not paying me to say that. That's just, I mean, it's pretty bright for what you pay for, you know. Pretty impressive, really. I'm gonna turn them off, head back inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. A lot of people were asking me to do an install of a light bar, and a lot of you guys didn't know I had a light bar behind my grill. It was a off-road LED bar, that's the company, and I took it out. I don't really know why I took it out. You know, it fit perfectly back there, but I decided to use these little pods by aux beam. I just think it's a little less weight on the grill, because, you know, when I'm going off-road and stuff like that, that's a lot of weight for a grill to hold up. So I think these are a good alternative. They're pretty cheap. I will put the link in the description, like I said. But, you know, a good alternative to maybe, you know, Rigid Industries or something very expensive like those. These seem to put out just as much light, if not more, than those Rigid Industries, the ones I already have. So, pretty impressive. And yeah, guys, I hope that this video is kind of helpful for some of you guys that were wanting to, you know, install some lights yourself. It's pretty easy stuff. Just kind of, I didn't really go into too much detail on this kind of stuff because it is that easy. So, but yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. We are almost to 10K, which is amazing. My goal is to hit 10K by the end of this month, and we are about to do it. Hopefully we can do it by the end of this week, maybe Saturday, I guess. If we can hit it by Saturday, that'd be great. You guys seem to really like my last off-roading video, and I plan to do a much more. The first one I did, it got like 1,200 likes or something like that. This one's already over halfway to that. I do want to continue doing these off-roading videos. Yeah, I don't want to completely ruin the truck in the process, but I will keep putting these videos out for you guys. But I'll also be putting out a lot more Corvette content as well. My wheels are about to ship out. I just got word today that They're done at the powder coater, and so they'll be shipping out here soon. The garage is finished. I have showed you guys a little bit today. I didn't want to show you guys everything just yet, but really happy with that. So, but yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.